Hi, my name is John Brancato. I'm a psychotherapist and hypnotherapist based in New York City, where I work with individuals, couples, and families dealing with a wide range of mental health issues. I've been selected to present two classes at the 2024 NGH Convention and Educational Conference on August 9th, 10th, and 11th in Marlborough, Massachusetts. On Saturday, I hope to see at my seminar titled An Introduction to Psychodynamics, a bridge between hypnosis and therapy. I'll speak about my experience both as a hypnotherapist and a psychotherapist, discussing how we can use psychodynamic principles to enhance our understanding of clients presenting concerns and to improve our hypnotic work as a whole. This presentation was inspired by the common misconceptions I frequently hear regarding popular terms such as projection, suppression, repression, and the like. And I'll clear up some of the confusion surrounding these psychodynamic concepts, considering how they're integral to all client interactions. And due to the nature of hypnotic phenomena, they're actually more pronounced in the work that we do. The overall aim of this presentation is to create a comfortability around these terms and to better equip hypnotists for complex problems and to build a bridge of connection between the worlds of hypnosis and psychotherapy. On Sunday, I'll be presenting a seminar titled Hypnotic Dream Reentry, the Re-Experienced Dream. In my work as a psychotherapist, I've witnessed firsthand the profound healing impacts that dreams can have on our understanding of ourselves and our overall healing journey. This presentation will explore the fascinating realm of dreams and discuss how their imagery, emotions, and dynamics can be integrated into our hypnotic work and facilitate healing and insight. Together, we'll explore symbolism, themes, affect, and the meaning that underlies dream images and narratives in order to help equip you with valuable tools for both dream interpretation and new hypnotic interventions. I'll then introduce two powerful dream work techniques that can be easily integrated into your current hypnotic work, empowering both you and your clients to tap into their innate healing center, the unconscious mind. Very much look forward to seeing you all there. See you soon.